Learn relevant programming languages. Python and R are widely used in the field of data science. Familiarize yourself with the syntax, libraries, and capabilities of these languages. Understand data structures and algorithms. Study fundamental data structures, arrays, linked lists, trees, and algorithms, sorting, searching, to improve your problem-solving skills. Practice coding challenges. Utilize online platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, and Kaggle to practice coding challenges related to data manipulation, algorithms, and machine learning. Work on projects. Build your portfolio by working on personal projects. Choose projects that involve data analysis, machine learning, or data visualization to showcase your coding and data science skills. Study and apply machine learning concepts. Understand the fundamentals of machine learning, including supervised and unsupervised learning, and practice implementing machine learning models. Review key libraries and frameworks. Familiarize yourself with important data science libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch, and understand how to use them effectively. Seek guidance and mentorship. Consider joining online communities, attending meetups, or finding a mentor in the field of data science to guide you in your learning journey. Stay updated. Given the evolving nature of technology, keep up with the latest trends, advancements, and updates in the data science and technology industry. By honing their coding skills and following these preparation strategies, freshers can significantly enhance their performance in technical assessments and increase their chances of success in securing data science roles at reputable companies.